This is my math lesson that I created using ClassFlow. It's an interactive whiteboard lesson, and the standard is to fluently add and subtract within 100 using strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and/or the relationship between addition and subtraction. The lesson objective is to learn how to add and subtract within 100. This is the template that I used with the numbers at the bottom because it's a math lesson. And then if you follow this link, it will take you to a video that the kids can watch to help them understand how to add within 100.
Hens are outside to find out how many hens are in the coop. We gotta know how to add and regroup. 9 plus.
The video is really fun for kids because it's animated and it has a fun song that goes with it. And then here they can see other examples of addition problems. And then this is the first image that I chose to use. And then here are some practice problems that they can work on. And then this is when we start learning about subtraction, and these are some examples of subtraction problems and how to do them. This shape is anchored, and then this shape can be replicated. And then this is another image that I chose to use with kids working on a whiteboard or a chalkboard. And then this is some subtraction problems that they can work on, and this shape can also be replicated. And then this is another image that I chose to use with little kids, and they can follow this link to practice more addition and subtraction. Right here, this is 2-digit addition, which is what we've been talking about, so they can practice different concepts with this website. And then to see the assessment, you exit. And you come to assessment, create edit questions, and then when it loads, you can see all of the different questions that I put on the assessment for the kids to answer. And then the last slide that I have is my resources page, and it has all of the URL links to the photos, the video, the math games website, and then the Utah Core Standards page. As I mentioned before, this is a template that I used throughout the entire lesson. There's text also throughout the whole lesson. On every slide there's text. This program does not allow audio, so there's not audio within my lesson. I think that this lesson is very interactive because kids can do the math problems that I put throughout this lesson. They can go to the video and watch the video. They can go to the game's website and play different math games. And then they can take the assessment, and all of these things are interactive.